TechTips with Cameron. I'm Cameron. Today we are diving into something so cool. It is Google Assignments by Brightspace, which allows us to integrate some of the tools from Google Classroom inside of our Brightspace class so that we can create assignments that automatically create templates, and we can check and see how students are working along the way during the process. Big shout out to Andrew Smith, Iroquois Ridge High School. Really appreciate you sharing this concept at our e-learning PD. I really think it's got some value. Let's dive in. How cool is it? And Google Assignments is very cool. It has taken the concept from Google Classroom, which we're not using in our high schools, but it has taken that concept of creating templates, automatic folders, and submissions, and integrated it within Brightspace so you can use those convenient features. And if I'm going to be creating a new assignment inside of, let's say, Unit 1, what I'm going to do, if I want to use Google Assignments, is click Add Existing. When you click Add Existing, you have a wide variety of options, but we are going to dive into More. And inside of More, we have the third-party integration of Google Assignments. When you click on it, the first time it is going to ask you to sign in. So click Sign In, pick your account, and it's going to directly connect with your class. I'm inside of Google Assignments, and here are some of the options. I can choose how many points do I want this assignment to be out of. When do I want this to be due? Give it a title. Well, for this one, let's call it Coding a Magic 8-Ball. Amazing. Now, what's really cool is in the other video, link below, you can see how you can automatically, any teacher, make a rubric using the Gemini in Classroom feature. Even if you're a high school teacher, you can use this Gemini in Classroom feature to create a rubric. And what it allows you to do, and I'm going to import that rubric from Sheets, what that video is going to show you is how you can have it build a rubric based on your content. So I'm going to head down, find my rubric, add it in. It formats it perfectly for you. So we can decide, what do we want? Do we want to use scoring or not? I'm going to turn that off, and it will allow you to give point values. And we go through, check.
Keep the human in the loop.
I've already been through this, so I know that I like this rubric. It's got 4 sections. Love that. Click Save. Something else amazing inside of Google Assignments is you can have it automatically check for plagiarism. But it does check for missing citations and possible plagiarism. And students will know that this is turned on so that they can run an originality check on their own work before they submit it. So just another little safety piece if you were choosing. And then we get to build our template. Now you can create directly from Drive right here. Or if you already have the assignment, which I do, you click Attach. So I'm going to type Magic 8-Ball. And I'm going to find my slideshow. So this is my slideshow about creating a Magic 8-Ball, and we'll see that each student gets their own copy. This is really the key here in Google Assignments, is it's going to create a template for each student. So you build your lesson, whatever that happens to be, doc, slides, sheets. It creates one for each student that they then turn back into you, and you can see and comment on their work during the process as well as after the process. So you can see who started, what they've done, all the way along. So I'm going to click Create. It's going to save this under Unit 1. All the way down to Coding a Magic 8-Ball. So it looks like this with the little puzzle piece. And right here, it's going to say, Welcome to Assignments. Again, I was finding I couldn't get it to open inside of here, but all you do is click Opening it in a new tab, and the assignment pops up. We can see 0 submitted, 0 returned, but you can check the rubric, and that's how Google Assignments works. Now, you may be wondering, what does that look like as a student? You can see my student here. The test student has submitted their work. Originality report, there's nothing flagged, they did nothing wrong. The rubric's there, I click on it. I can give them a mark if I chose to give marks. I can choose where they are for each of the places on the rubric. So how'd they do? Well, they were exceeding in that section. Give them some overall feedback. Love that you ... When you're done, you return it to them, and they will get this and all of that submitted back to them. You can see all the work that they've done here. It works just beautifully. Choice to return this one or return multiple ones if you had a lot. These arrows up here would allow you to go through all your students, so you could just go, and then return all the submissions at once. But when you're done, you click Return, pop it out, and what that we can see is that this has been returned to the student, 1 returned, and they have it. That's how simple it is to use Google Assignments inside of Brightspace. Hope that helps, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.